Hi guys, hope you guys are doing fine and everybody is safe and healthy. I wanted to get to you regarding the new update. I'm super excited about it because a couple of months ago I also tweeted uh, to Elon and Tesla, and I'm not sure it's because of my tweet, but I'm sure everybody wanted that. We have this new update which has the dashcam viewer. So this is awesome. So let me just quickly let you know about the updates. It has the driving visualization improvement, which will show you the traffic cones, and then the dashcam viewer. So that's awesome. And then it'll tell you out of order supercharger stalls. So, and the rest of it is all the older version. Bluetooth improvement, improved voice command reliability, and yeah, and this has also changed. I guess there was a controversy behind the symbol, so they changed it. All right, great. So I'll drive my car and see how it works, and hopefully you guys like it. And this is the latest update, version 10.2 2020 12.5. Okay guys, take care and keep healthy.